Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel DiziSight, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Temu account. So in order to do that, first of all launch Temu application and just wait for some time until the app is loading. Now once you come to the app, at the bottom simply tap on the option of You. Now over here tap on the option of sign in/register. Now over here start by entering your email address. Now let me enter my email address here. If you wish to, you can also continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and even continue with Apple ID. If you tap on this drop-down button at the bottom, you'll see other various options such as continue with phone number or continue with Twitter. So as of now, I'm just going to use my email address and then tap on continue. After this, you have to enter your password here. Make sure that you remember your password, and after you have entered your password, tap on sign in. And now you can see that within a matter of seconds you have been logged in to your Temu account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.